In Washington this Wednesday, the United States and Ukraine finalized a landmark agreement granting the U.S. access to Ukraine's critical minerals and natural resources, as both nations seek to reinforce their alliance in the face of Russia's ongoing invasion. The agreement, named the United States-Ukraine Reinvestment Fund, provides a framework for joint investment and resource access. While the deal's full structure remains undisclosed, officials confirmed it secures American entry to Ukraine's valuable rare earth elements such as titanium, uranium, and lithium, materials deemed essential for aerospace, energy, and defense industries. In return, Kyiv is expected to receive continued U.S. military and financial support. Key figures involved include U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, Ukrainian Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal, and Economy Minister Yulia Sviridenko, who traveled to Washington to finalize the agreement. President Donald Trump, a key advocate of the deal, described it as a protective measure to ensure America benefits from its aid commitments. Ukrainian leaders, however, emphasized that the agreement was fair, equal, and vital to national reconstruction and global investment. The deal follows tense negotiations and a previously failed attempt at signing, with concerns that the original draft favored American interests too heavily. The revised version now sets a 10-year partnership, excludes past aid from U.S. contributions, and aligns with Ukraine's path toward EU membership. It awaits ratification by Ukraine's parliament before implementation. Reactions to the deal have been mixed. Prime Minister Shmyhal hailed it as a strategic and balanced step toward Ukraine's development, while Trump voiced skepticism over continued war spending, questioning Ukraine's war strategy and criticizing Russia's recent escalation. Meanwhile, the war continues to take a heavy toll. A UN report revealed that Ukrainian civilian casualties rose sharply in early 2025, with over 2,600 incidents verified. Russia's renewed attacks on cities like Kharkiv and Ukraine's retaliatory strikes on Russian infrastructure underline the conflict's persistence. As calls for a ceasefire grow, Kremlin officials say Russia is open to talks, but only after certain nuances are addressed. U.S. diplomats have pushed both sides to accelerate negotiations, warning of potential disengagement if progress stalls. This agreement marks a significant moment in a protracted and painful conflict, offering both economic opportunity and a glimmer of sustained partnership. Yet, as war continues to rage, the path to peace remains uncertain. Our thoughts remain with all those affected by the conflict, as hope endures for a resolution built on sovereignty, stability, and shared humanity.